Welcome to Abu Dhabi. On this Abu Dhabi tour is Ferrari World, which seems to be an amusement park that has different rides, I think over 30 rides, and it has the fastest roller coaster in the world, which looked pretty cool. We could see it on the way in. We're not actually going to do any of the things here. We're just stopped for pictures and looking around, which is good because we only have a short time here in Abu Dhabi. Also sort of this mall before you get into the theme park. So, reminds me a lot of Universal Studios. There's so many things around here that are so uniquely Arabic, like having a prayer room next to the bathroom and having a little covered woman on the signs. We're making a quick stop at the Abu Dhabi Louvre, which I think is probably related to the Louvre in Paris. But everyone we talked to and different things I saw online said you have to stop by, and the architecture is really beautiful. We're not gonna go inside, but it is cool to just walk around, and there's an amazing view of the water. I'd like to come back and actually go inside the museum someday. So we made a quick stop at this wholesale market to go to some date shops. This is supposedly the largest wholesale market in the UAE. So we're not going to look around at everything, but when you go in the date shop, they give you samples of everything. They have date stuff with all kinds of nuts and covered in chocolate. It's sort of overwhelming. You don't know what to buy unless you're a date expert, which I am not. So we made a stop here at a place called Heritage Village in Abu Dhabi, and they have a little museum of how life was with all the, camels and water wells and little Bedouin tents. And there's a Islamic museum, and then right across is a beach. The heat is punishing hot right now, so we're trying to really enjoy everything before we literally pass out from sunstroke. Taking a quick stop just outside Emirates Palace, which is this beautiful, lavish hotel that I could never afford to get into. But they have a beautiful fountain and very majestic architecture, and there's like marble on the walkway. Very nice. I'm currently standing in front of the Grand Mosque here in Abu Dhabi, and it's absolutely beautiful. I feel like I say that a lot. The sun's going down, so it's not as hot, and with all the white and the light reflecting off the white, it makes it a little cooler, which is great because I came all covered up already, but then they made me wear this extra blue coverall, so I have a lot of layers on for 100-degree weather.